So this is Aruba. You see the I love Aruba sign? Beautiful. And this right here is the view when you eat your breakfast. Aruba, amazing city in the Caribbean. And here, every single cruise ship disembarks at this area. You can see people still walking back to the cruise. Zoom in. Part here, walk, where everybody's walking right there. I'm gonna get bigger for you guys so you can see. Walk, all the way to downtown Aruba. Shopping malls right there. Walk. Shopping mall, more shopping malls. Those are restaurants. And then you cross. On the other side, over here, this is a hotel. And then I'm gonna see if we can make it zoom in more. Like barely. That's a hotel, and on the other side, it's a private beach. And right there, over there, is a beach. It's a 30-minute walk. Like I said before, if you're traveling to Aruba from a cruise ship, Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Celebrity, MSC, you'll be here. Oof. And here's Aruba. The other side, Aruba shopping map where the MSC ship disembarks. Look at the view right here, the ocean view balcony.